Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI in the Cloud. Unleashing AI Superpowers with AWS, Azure, and GCP. Imagine teaching a computer to think or learn. That's artificial intelligence. AI. From recommending movies to chatting with customers, AI is making applications incredibly smart. As a developer, this means you can build powerful, intelligent features into your apps without needing to be an AI expert yourself. Think of AI as your new super-powered toolbox for creating amazing, intelligent software that can see, hear, understand, and even create. Building AI from scratch is like trying to build a rocket in your backyard. You need a massive amount of data, the fuel, super powerful and expensive computers, the launchpad and control center, and highly specialized scientists, the rocket engineers. For most developers, gathering all this infrastructure, managing it, and hiring a team of AI specialists is incredibly expensive and complex, making AI seem out of reach for everyday projects. This is where the cloud, like AWS, Azure, and GCP, comes in. Instead of buying all those expensive computers, data centers, and specialized hardware, you can rent them over the internet. Imagine needing a massive library for research. Instead of buying one, you get a library card that gives you instant access to an entire university's collection. The cloud provides all the heavy computing power, vast data storage, and necessary infrastructure for AI, available on demand, letting you focus on building your application. The best part for developers? Cloud providers offer pre-built AI services. Want your app to understand speech, identify objects in images, translate languages, or even generate text? Instead of coding it from scratch, you can use simple API calls, like sending a text message to a service, to AWS Recognition, Azure Vision, or Google Cloud Vision AI. It's like having a set of AI Lego blocks. Just snap them into your app with a few lines of code, and instantly add powerful intelligence. These are the three biggest AI superpower stations in the cloud world, each with its own flavor. Oz, Amazon Web Services, the veteran, with a vast array of services. Think of it as a massive department store with everything you could imagine. Azure, Microsoft Azure, strong integration with Microsoft tools and an enterprise focus, like a specialty store that perfectly complements your existing Microsoft developer ecosystem. GCP, Google Cloud Platform, known for its cutting-edge AI research and powerful data tools. Imagine a futuristic tech lab, often first with new AI breakthroughs. They all offer similar core AI services, so you can pick the one that feels best for your project or team. What if your AI problem is super unique, like predicting very specific customer behavior or analyzing bespoke industrial sensor data? For these cases, the cloud also provides powerful tools to train your own custom AI models. Services like AWS SageMaker, Azure Machine Learning, and Google Cloud Vertex AI give you access to supercomputers, GPUs, and frameworks to teach your AI-specific tasks using your unique data. It's like getting a fully equipped, state-of-the-art kitchen to bake your own custom AI masterpiece, rather than buying a pre-made cake. Ready to start building intelligent apps? 1. Pick a cloud, Oz, Azure, or GCP. They all offer free tiers or credits to get started without immediate cost. 2. Explore pre-built services. This is the easiest entry point. Try an image recognition API, a text-to-speech service, or a chatbot. 3. Experiment. Use the provided documentation and quick starts to see how simple it is to integrate AI into your existing applications. You don't need to be an AI guru, just a curious developer ready to build amazing things. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.